Here introducing our new Model 1000 charger maintainer, desulfator, tester. Basically does everything that you need to have done on a battery that you're going to try to charge up or test or maintain. All built into one little box. And it's our newest model. 10 watts worth of power, designed for any small battery. It can be small car, all the way down to an ATV or something. The nice thing about this is that it works on any battery, computer controlled, automatic. The blue screen here is a battery tester, so it'll tell you how good your battery is. Can even be left on the vehicle when you start it, and it'll test your charging system. But if you leave it on for a long time, what a pulse charger does different than an old-fashioned trickle charger is it desulfates, it cleans the plates of the battery. So it's the best thing to put on a battery for long term, because it's not just charging up, turning off, going down 20%, charging up, turning off. It's actually putting out an ultrasonic pulse, and that makes the battery last a couple more years. It's complete with the charger, a 12-foot long cable, so you can go from the wall over to your stuff, to your motorcycle, to your ATV. 2 sets of connector cables, both alligator clips and permanent, that you put on your favorite vehicle. So you get both of them, alligator clips and permanent. Display shows you how charged up the battery, percentage of charge, shows you the amps going into the battery, and shows you the voltage that the battery's holding. So that's basically everything you need to know. And I can take this just by itself and walk over to any battery and test it quickly. You don't have to be a mechanic or an engineer to use this. What's great about it is it works on all types of batteries, AGM batteries, deep cycle batteries, marine batteries, standard batteries. It works on 6 volts and 12 volts. So it's affordable, easy to use. Instruction sheet is very simple. Just that's everything you need to know to use it, is that much. So that's it. So anyway, welcome to our new unit, Model 1000.